So we're here at Bloomingdale Waterfall. Isn't that where we are? Where even are we?
That's where we are.
Is that just it? Bloomingdale Waterfall. And it's here in Rensselaer Tech Park, right at WMHT on 4 Global View. And so this is where it starts. There was already 3 of these. Yeah, that's literally what it says. Hiking trail. So yeah. And then there's the bridge down there. And so we're at Bloomingdale Brook Waterfall, and so this is Bloomingdale Brook. And then we start walking along here. There's the waterfall, so we're gonna come down here. It looks like there's a pass down to the waterfall, so we're gonna go down there. Bloomingdale Brook Waterfall, and so we went down here. So that's the entrance trail, and then so we went down here, we went left, and then we came back out here, and so the waterfall was cool, and so yeah, we're gonna go down this way. There's also these random coat hangers there. I'm not really sure why they're there, but yeah, we're gonna go this way. I don't know where that way leads to. Also, I don't know where that way leads to if you just went straight instead of going left. So yeah, it's surprisingly at Rensselaer Technology Park. So yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah.